A raised to power 4 plus a squared is equal to 20. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of a from this given equation. A raised to power 4 plus a squared is equal to 20. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation. A raised to power 4 plus a squared is equal to 20. Now, a raised to power 4 is the same thing as a square plus a square is equal to 20. Now we have a square plus a square minus 20 is equal to 0. Let a square is equal to y. Now y square plus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved by using factorization method. Now we have y squared minus 4y plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Then y into y minus 4 plus 5 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. We have y plus 5, this y and 5, multiplied by y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Let's call this y1. Or y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to, this is minus 5. Because if this plus cross equal sign become minus, here y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Let's call this y2. For the value of y is equal to minus 5 and 4. But a square is equal to y at y equal to minus 5 and 4. Now, a square is equal to minus 5 or a square is equal to 4. Let's work with this. From a square is equal to 4, then let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of a square is equal to square root of 4. This one will cancel this, and square root of 4 is 2. A is equal to 2. That is the value of a. Then for this second case, a square is equal to minus 5, but this exponential equation cannot take the negative. That is, this is positive and this is negative. Then we reject this because it's a false statement. The only real solution we have is a is equal to 2. That is our final answer. Let's check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Check. We have the given equation a raised to power 4 plus a square must be equal to 20. Let's see. Now, a is 2. 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 square. Let's see if equal to 20. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Plus 2 square is 4. Is equal to 20. Meaning that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which satisfies the given equation at a equal to 2. If you really enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.